Hello everybody. I'm doing a review. I'm doing a review on Hughes base dip stir fry and barbecue sugar-free orange ginger marinade. I got this at Walmart the other day. You see, I have used a decent amount of it. So I'm going to show you what I made with it, and I will tell you what I think about this. I don't know why I haven't seen this in the store before, but so let me try it. This is my plate. That's chicken with the marinade, that is corn, and that's a biscuit. So let me start eating. Tell you what I think about this marinade. Now you see on the thing it says sugar free. It tastes sweet, y'all. It's seasoned so well, it's so good. The last time I made it, I had seasoned my meat. And it was good, but my meat was a little salty. You don't need no salt or anything with this. Just use the marinade. I baked this chicken. The ginger taste is not real strong. Even though I like ginger in my food, sometimes you don't want it like overwhelming your food. And this is perfect. See that Soul Brother on the label, y'all? Isn't that nice? I'm going to read up about this man and see how he came to make this marinade. So it says no artificial preservatives, no high fructose corn syrup. It's 13 ounces. Always sugar-free. So his products must always be sugar-free. But I tell you, it tastes good. It only has 5 calories. Wow. It's really delicious. I saw some other marinades that I'm going to try too, but that one caught my eye. Sometimes you get tired of cooking the same way and the same things. So since that one is good, I'm going to try the other ones. It's a nice quick meal that you can make for you or your family. I always got this glitter on my face. Wow. So I just put it in the pan and poured the marinade over it and put it in the oven. If the pan is drying out too fast, add a little bit of water or more marinade. Okay. Makes your meat taste tender too. So I'm not going to hold y'all, but again, this is the Hughes base, dip, stir, fry, barbecue, sugar-free orange ginger marinade. Okay. It says Hughes award-winning pitmaster. Wow. Well, Hughes got some skills, okay? This is excellent. It's not too salty. It's sweet, but it's the right amount of sweetness. It's just perfect, y'all. You see this at Walmart or any store. If you haven't tried it, please try it because it's excellent. So I will talk to you all later. Remember to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Okay? Have a good day.